If you were mine, I wouldn't want to go to heaven.
On the way to the beach.
Yes. Period.
Per Amaya, say something.
Hey.
So excited.
We're so excited.
Here we're going to, what's the beach called?
Upham.
Upham Beach. And I'll show you guys the full fit later.
Her hair ate. She
Thank
ate.
you.
I'm actually so hella people gonna be at the beach.
Everyone's at the beach today for some reason. But
so
yeah,
excited.
we'll be there in like 40 minutes.
Yes.
Because the beach is so far away from our school. See you guys
Probably gonna
soon.
take like 40 minutes, but yeah.
It's worth it.
I have a portable charger, but it's like,
Oh,
Amaya,
come
I
on.
have a portable charger. You don't need it? Yeah, not right now. Mine's at 50.
The camera. Oh, it's so cute.
I love the vibe.
It's so cute. It's so cute. Yeah, this is the aesthetic.
It is cold. Oh my god. No.
Oh my gosh.
Wow, I'm so clumsy. Everybody's outside today.
Yeah, it's near the water. Should have played volleyball.
That would have been fun. But we're finally at the beach.
It's so nice.
We're finally at the beach. Everybody's here. It's so crowded. It's really hot. No, it's cold actually, which is weird. Because my app is like saying it's 71. Not 71, 81. But it's actually cold. But that's okay. Wow, look at that. Anyway, we're at the beach.
Yeah.
I'm about to go blind.
Ooh.
Yeah, we're all about to go blind.
Yeah,
for real.
the sun is like in my eye.
The sun is
Oh
blaring.
my god, you know what I hated? Like first coming, like when we used to go to the
yeah.
beach a lot. My dorm had so many people. Had so much fun.
Yes.
Like,
Can I borrow your vacuum, Jose?
yeah.
Yeah, we need it
actually
real
need to
bad.
vacuum the room.
I would vacuum that shit without fucking vacuum.
Hola. Oh my gosh, it's actually the sun is like in my eye. Y'all got that.
Jose, get in. So we're at the beach.
We're at
It's-
the beach.
But I just wanted everyone in it.
Hey.
Beach day. All my baddies are
Wait, can we take
together.
pictures on that?
Yeah, but there's no flash on this camera.
The lighting's pretty
We're
good
at
though.
the beach.
It is, it's cute.
It's really good quality.
Let me put my hat on.
Wait, did you guys
Oh,
take
you look
pictures on this camera?
good. Y'all want to? Or the group, yeah.
I'm being a photographer, my photographer Air, taking
Yes.
pictures of the girls, the baddies. Say hi to the camera. Jose, say
Olympic, don't tell me.
We're at the beach.
Period.
Up here. Oh wait, she has outfit.
Body is
This
tea.
top from Meraki. I'll have it linked. We have Ed Hardy shorts.
Yes.
We have Steve Madden sandals. We're at the beach.
Period.
The hair is laid.
Oh my, get my face.
Yes. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're at the beach. They think it's cold, y'all. I think it's
It is
perfect.
cold, but whatever.
This is perfect weather for the beach. It's not too hot, but it's not too cold. And look at it. Well, the body's not really tea right now. Unless I stand
Period.
Wait, get back because I need to fill it.
up. This is all
Period. Body's
fucking
tea.
body is tea. All from Strawberry Milk Club.
Oh,
And my nail
period.
sadly, but
We're with Amaya and Jose. They're flicking up right now. Period. Look at the sun, how beautiful.
the sun is like glaring on the screen.
Wait,
That
Wait, let me see that one.
Oh, that was the sun.
Wait, do it that angle, like that. Yeah.
oh, you guys are so cute. Our little photo shoot at sunset. It's so pretty.
Yeah, it looks good.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Hey guys. Period. I could. Oh, it moves.
And at the top it zooms in, like here. You can zoom in.
Oh, okay.
Oh, ew.
So where are we at? Upham?
Up here.
Yes.
We're on the camcorder.
Hello, Dubai.
Soon to be hello Peru.
Yes. There's Lindsay. Look at that body. Period. There's Amaya. Wait, can I turn this that way? Like,
It gives like a big
yeah. Hey guys.
vlogging now.
Wait, right.
Oh yeah.
That's how you zoom in, yeah.
Period.
Cute. We're on the beach, and it's sunset.
You said Miami.
Oh, these eat.
Outfit check. Honestly, I'm so hungry and we're about to.
Okay, yeah, I like it. Hola. Oh my god, it's the beach. Oh my god, this is so cute. Y'all, we're at
Right?
sunset and it's so beautiful. We took so many cute photos. We took so many cute photos. My beautiful Ruby, Ali, and
And
Amaya.
beautiful Amaya.
And then Jose.
I'm cold.
Okay, see, now you're cold. Now you're cold.
Yeah, now it's cold. Oh, the sunset is so pretty. When I want one of like all of us in the sunset.
Yeah.
We ask them to. Yeah. Yeah, let's ask
Let's ask let's ask the girl. Yeah, because they're nice.
That's just
We did our group picture and it was a success. Aww. Thank you to the girl who took it. You're very sweet. You ate. They are having a gender reveal. Oh my gosh. it's a girl. Okay, guys, what do we think? Jose, you're up first.
I'm your uncle and you're gonna be a Leila.
Oh, wait, they're gonna do it. Okay. We don't know though. My guess is that it's a girl. Amaya, do you have a guess?
I think it's gonna be a boy.
A boy.
Boy.
4, and we're on the worst walk.
Yeah, no, the
walk of shame back.
Yes, it's so bad.
From the beach. We're gonna go get some food at this restaurant that's like
walkable. We're hungry. I didn't eat anything.
I had like a bagel in the morning and that was it. But it's still so pretty. But yeah, I'm so hungry. Okay, we're back from the beach and I'm so sandy. My hair is sandy too, but we're all gonna take a shower then go to bed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Bye guys.